Hi friends, my name is Nikhil. So you remember very carefully that today I'm going to tell you how to write the phrases in English. Right? You remember very carefully just 3-4 days ago I have uploaded one video of Banganubad. Right? So it is actually a précis. I just want to do a précis, but due to your comments, your request, I have done as a Banganubad, right? So I just translate. I have already did that, but right now I'm going to do it and convert it into a précis, right? So I'm just going to write it. Just look at that. I'm not going to explain all these things. I'm directly to the point, right? So the title, if you want that, please watch those previous video, then you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just not going to repeat those sentences once again. Just read the passage, watch the previous video, and then watch this video. Okay, so let's start. So title, the précis must be a title, right? So the title, I think it is audible now. Definition. My handwriting is not so good. Okay. Definition of a nobleman, right? NOBLE. Then underline it, right? Then you have to write down précis, PRECIS, then hyphen. Okay. I'm just going to write it. A great man, great human being cannot just think only for his own prosperity. He works for the betterment, for the benefit, so for the benefit of the whole mankind, till death. A common man, next sentence, a common man's name will be forgotten after death, but people will remember, remember a great man's name after death forever, because of his noble deeds. Complete. I'm just reading it out. Definition. The title would be the definition of a nobleman. My handwriting is not so good, so please forgive me. Right? আমার হাত লেখা খুবই খারাপ, তো প্লিজ আমাকে একটু মাফ করে দেবে. A great means a great human being cannot just think only for his own prosperity. একজন মহান ব্যক্তি সে কখনো নিজের উন্নতির জন্য ভাবে না. He works for the benefit of the whole mankind till death. আমৃত্যু পর্যন্ত সেই মানুষের মঙ্গলের জন্য কাজ করে যায়. A common man's name will be forgotten after death, but people will remember a great man's name after death forever because of his noble deeds. একজন ভালো মানুষের নাম মানুষ মনে রাখে সারা জীবন, কারণ তার মহৎ কাজের জন্য. So this is the précis. Okay, it's my own handwriting. Maybe it is quite illegible. I mean, it is quite hard to read because my handwriting is not so good. So please, আমাকে একটু মাফ করে দেবে, right? সো দিস দ্য টাইটেল ডেফিনেশন অফ এ নোবেল ম্যান। নোবেল একজন ভালো মানুষের সংজ্ঞাটা কী হবে, আর এটা হচ্ছে পেসি, 1/3 হবে কিন্তু, রাইট? ইট শুড বি লাইক 1/3, ইট শুড বি লাইক 1/3, গট ইট। তো hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and Jai Hind.